I just started looking into 45 days to expiration strangles. My question is, at what delta should I start looking to make adjustments, roll the untested side, etc.? When I put them on, my delta is pretty close to zero. I'm just not clear on when I should look to adjust.
I mean, you got to find what works well for you. For me, it's been around 15-ish deltas, positive or negative, on these strategies. When I'm putting them on around a standard deviation, say the 20-ish delta option, when the whole totality of the position gets to about positive negative 15, I'm rolling up the untested side, bringing it into around 5-ish positive or negative deltas. That's what's worked for me. You got to find what works for you.
Yeah. So the first thing I wrote back to this person was, it's very personal. And some people will wait till the strike is breached. Some people will wait till, it gets to 20, 25, 30, 35 deltas, pick a number. Other people, and this is what I recommend, as soon as you get remotely uncomfortable, like as soon as you get uncomfortable, which may in some cases be because the market's doing something. So uncomfortable and maybe just because it might overall make you short and you're not comfortable because the market's going higher. But whatever makes you uncomfortable, it's fine. My default is to always roll aggressively whenever I'm uncomfortable. And that delta could mean there's a difference of 10, 5, 10, 15, 20 in between the deltas. But that's when I roll and recenter. When I put
it also has a little bit of a factor on your overall positions you have too,
sure.
and what you feel about the stock too on a directional basis, right?
I mean different stocks are very different. That's meaning that there's certain stocks that you don't mind being a little bit more short, and there's other stocks that that are really going to bug you. That you're I don't want to be short this stock type thing.
Sure.
So it depends on the stock, depends on the overall market. There's a bunch of things in that regard.